Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock a sender on AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in mail.aol.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials, then sign in into your AOL Mail. Now select the AA option on your address bar, then select Request Desktop Website. Once you do that, in couple seconds, your screen will look somewhat like this. Now from there, scroll all the way to the right, then select the gear icon, which is settings, and select more settings. Now scroll all the way to the left. Now from there, find security and privacy. Under security and privacy, you're going to find the senders that you have recently blocked, and right beside their email, there will be a small trust sign. Tap on it. And you're done. And guys, that's it. That's how you unlock a sender on AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.